Let's get straight to it. Can Britain lead the next global revolution? Not in steam or jets, but in robotics. We're talking about smart learning machines. Robots powered by AI, already transforming our world. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now, in 2026. The real question, will Britain be in the driver's seat? We have the brainpower, the daring, and the industrial heritage. But do we have the ambition to turn these ingredients into something world-beating? This is about our prosperity, our place in the world, and the jobs of tomorrow. Will we just buy technology, or will we design, build, and sell it to the world? It's a question of tin, steel, and British metal. Let's dive in. When you hear the word robot, you might instantly imagine a shiny Hollywood cyborg or a futuristic machine from science fiction. But the reality of robotics today is far more practical, and in many ways, even more powerful than what we see on the big screen. Robots are no longer just a fantasy. They're a vital part of our everyday world, quietly working behind the scenes. Robots are quietly transforming every corner of our lives, from the warehouses that deliver our online orders to the hospitals that care for our loved ones. They're not just machines, they're partners in progress, helping us achieve more than ever before. These remarkable machines handle the dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs, tasks that are repetitive, hazardous, or simply too challenging for humans. Whether it's welding in hazardous environments or cleaning up dangerous spills, robots step in where people can't or shouldn't go. In agriculture, autonomous tractors plant seeds and harvest crops with incredible precision, helping farmers feed more people with less waste. In hospitals, surgical robots assist doctors in performing delicate procedures, while delivery robots transport medicine and supplies, ensuring patients get the care they need quickly and safely. These machines don't just replace human effort, they augment it, making our work safer, more efficient, and often more rewarding. By taking on the toughest tasks, robots free us to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and care. It's not about replacing people, it's about empowering them to do more, to work smarter, and to reach new heights. Imagine a world where food is grown with less waste, where surgeries mean faster recovery times, and where British businesses thrive by embracing cutting-edge technology. Robots are making these possibilities real right now. Robots are already here, assembling products, delivering goods, and building a better tomorrow for everyone. The robotics revolution isn't loud or flashy, it's happening quietly, all around us, every single day. So next time you think of robots, don't just picture science fiction. Picture a smarter, safer, and more connected world, one where technology and humanity work hand in hand. This is the now, not the distant future. Robots are already shaping our lives in ways we're only beginning to understand. British innovation is at the heart of this transformation, leading the way in robotics and automation. Let's take a closer look at how it's all happening. Let's talk numbers. Robotics and automation could add $150 billion to the UK economy in the next decade. That's a game changer. New hospitals, schools, and jobs. This isn't a niche, it's a fundamental economic shift. AI, sensors, and new materials are making robots smarter and cheaper. The global robotics market is booming, projected to triple by 2030. Other countries are racing ahead, especially China, which could capture half the market. If we wait, we risk becoming mere consumers, not creators. The $150 billion isn't just a target, it's a prize for bold action. It means high-skilled jobs, productivity, and exports. The opportunity is clear and urgent. Will we seize it, or watch others take the lead? The time to act is now. Can Britain win this race? We've got the brainpower, world-class universities and research labs. Our startup culture is thriving, turning ideas into real businesses. Companies like Oxa are leading in autonomous vehicle software, raising millions to scale up. But there's a gap. Cutting-edge tech isn't reaching enough small businesses. The challenge isn't invention, it's adoption and scale. We need to connect research labs with factory floors nationwide. Our strengths are real, but they're wasted if we don't use them. It's time for a coordinated national effort. Help small businesses adopt robotics, scale startups into global giants. The engine is built. Let's fire it up. The clock is ticking. Let's see British robotics in action, where innovation meets real-world challenges and transforms industries across the nation. At the Manufacturing Technology Center, robots boosted tunnel installation productivity by 40% and cut costs by 30%. These machines work tirelessly, handling heavy materials with precision and speed, making construction safer and more efficient for everyone involved. In space, Airbus UK is building robots to repair and remove satellites, precision work in a hostile environment. These space robots are designed to extend the life of satellites, reduce dangerous debris, and pave the way for future missions beyond Earth's orbit. Siemens chose the UK to develop AI-powered warehouse robots that pick items in milliseconds. These robots are revolutionizing logistics, ensuring faster deliveries and greater accuracy for businesses and customers alike. Our software and AI strengths are world-class, driving the intelligence behind every robotics system. British engineers are at the forefront, developing algorithms that allow robots to learn, adapt, and solve complex problems. In agriculture, eNano's autonomous robots help farmers and groundskeepers use resources efficiently, improving crops and turf. These machines monitor soil, water, and plant health, making farming more sustainable and productive. These aren't just experiments, they're real solutions, saving money, time, and the environment. Across the UK, robots are reducing waste, lowering emissions, and creating safer workplaces for people. From factories to fields to space, British robotics is delivering results that matter. Our technology adapts to every environment, proving its value in the most demanding conditions. We're not just talking innovation, we're living it. Every day, British teams are testing, refining, and deploying robotics that make a difference in people's lives. The benefits are tangible and wide-reaching, from increased productivity and job satisfaction to a cleaner, greener future for all. This is British ingenuity at work. Imagine what's next, as we continue to push boundaries and shape the future with robotics made in the UK. The next hurdle, getting robotics into every small and medium-sized business. SMEs are the backbone of our economy, but many see robots as too costly or complex. We need to break down barriers, show that robotics can be affordable and easy to use. Government must step up. Create robotics adoption hubs where businesses can see and try automation risk-free. Offer tax breaks and grants to help SMEs invest. Support companies making plug-and-play robots for smaller firms. Use public procurement to drive adoption. Demystify robotics and empower businesses to compete. The goal: make automation accessible to all. That's how we unlock the full economic boost. This is a global race and the competition is fierce. China is investing massively, aiming to dominate robotics manufacturing. The US is driven by private giants like Nvidia and Tesla, betting big on robots. Germany leads in industrial automation, integrating robotics across all business sizes. These countries have clear strategies and deep pockets. Britain can't afford to be complacent. Great ideas aren't enough. We need ambition and urgency. The pace is accelerating, driven by AI breakthroughs and investment. The window to lead is now. If we hesitate, we'll be left behind. We have the talent. Let's match our rivals' drive. The world won't wait. The race is on, and we need a real plan. First, double down on adoption. Get proven robotics into every British business, especially SMEs. Strengthen support networks and make automation a no-brainer. Second, build things here again. Invest in UK hardware manufacturing. Support companies making the robots, not just designing them. Use agencies like Area to fund bold hardware projects. Third, think global from day one. Help UK robotics firms scale and export. Connect them with investors in global markets. Finally, build public trust. Address concerns about jobs and change. start a national conversation about robotics' role in society. A future that works for everyone is within reach. We stand at a crossroads. Our choices now will shape Britain's future. The decisions we make today will echo for generations, influencing not just our economy, but our identity as a nation. This is a pivotal moment, one that demands vision, courage, and unity. The opportunity before us is immense, a potential $150 billion boost to our economy, powered by world-class universities, daring startups, and real success stories already making waves. Across the country, innovation is thriving, from bustling city labs to rural workshops, and the world is watching what we do next. But the challenge is just as great. We must help small businesses adapt, compete on a global stage, and ensure that every community feels the benefits of progress. It's about bringing everyone with us so no one is left behind as technology transforms our lives. We have a plan, one that drives adoption of robotics, builds world-leading hardware, scales up exports, and, crucially, earns the trust of the public. By working together, we can turn ambition into action and ideas into impact. This is about more than money. It's about who we want to be as a society. It's about values, opportunity, and the legacy we leave for the next generation. Do we lead, create, and build? Do we have the courage to shape the future, rather than simply react to it? Do we give our children high-skilled jobs shaping tomorrow's tech? Can we inspire them to dream bigger, to innovate, and to solve the challenges of tomorrow? The answer must be yes. We owe it to ourselves, and to the generations that will follow, to seize this moment. We led the age of steam, jets, and computers. Now, it's the age of the robot. Our history is one of invention and leadership, and it's time to write the next chapter. The pieces are in place. It's time to act. The countdown has begun, and the world is waiting to see what Britain will do. No more hesitation. Let's lead in robotics. Let's be bold, take risks, and set the pace for the world to follow. We have the talent, the plan, and the ambition. Now we need the will to make it happen together. Britain's turn to build the future starts now. Let's seize this opportunity and show the world what we can achieve.